Hello, fellow subscribers. Today, let's play the Costex bot. Yippee! Okay, let's. Oh my! No! You cannot do this to Owen. Oh no! Get me out of here. Oh no! Oh. I can grind KDR here. Just kidding. Oh no! Stay here. I can grind KDR here. Oh no! Look at this. There's the. Yeah, I'm gonna bomb you. Just kidding. Oh, I wonder where's alternate. Where the? Oh no. Oh, got spit out of me. AP Pro Rivals. Oh, Bro said he was pro. Wait, oh, that it's so laggy. Yeah. Should we run or should we run? Either way, we should run. Either way, we should run. Oh, Oda, stay back. No. Keep here. Oh. No, stay back. We are safe. Stay back. Oh, no. Keep here. Yeah. Oh, longest run ever. What could have been genuinely done? Wait. Be right back. Okay, we're back, guys.
Wala na lang blue, pero creamy seafoods.
No.
Creamy seafood. Ayan o, nakalagay yun.
Yun na lang, seafood nga yan eh. Run. Stay back. Oh!
Alam na.
Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
Bumili ka ng iba?
Pang ano yan? Pang malagay sa ulam.
Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
Yatid lang si Faye. Toyota. Alis mo.
Seriously?
Late na si Faye. Yun lang eh.
I'm so scared.
Linisin na lang yan dito.
No. I am not risking my kid. Oh no. I am not risking my kid. Oh.
Yung pula? Saan doon? Sa tapat mo.
Oh.
kasi bibing yan, di ba? 2026 yan. Bakit yung
Total.
sa bangga? Siyempre na, may bibing eh. Bibing na siya sa bangko. Pero nakita ko
Libog na daw.
target kasi pagagawa ko kayo.
Flu.
Total, 700. Kasi
Wait, Earth, bigla mo na. Gusto iba.
front bank or back. Paano yan? Kahapon ko pa yung namin yung isang
Lucy. No. Yeah. Okay, bye guys.